Hello, welcome to UGC-NET exam tips. Today we will discuss about paper 1, teaching concept objectives, levels of teaching and characteristics and basic requirements. First of all, we start with the concept of teaching. Concept of teaching have two phases. One is traditional concept and other one is modern concept. In traditional concept, teaching is the act of imparting instruction to the learners in the classroom situation. So in traditional classroom, the teacher gives information to students and the students reads from a textbook while the other students silently follow him. This was the basic parts of traditional concept, and it is totally different in modern concept. In modern concept, teaching is to cause the pupil to learn and acquire the desired knowledge, skills, and also desirable ways of living in the society. The in modern concept, it includes the process in which learner, teacher, curriculum, and other variables. These are organized in a systematic and psychological way to attain some predetermined goals. So the basic difference between the traditional concept and modern concept is one is orderly presented and the other one is organized in a systematic and psychological way to achieve some predetermined goals. Here are some definitions of teaching by Morrison, Gage, Amidon, and Clark. While analyzing this definition, we can clearly understood that the main motive behind teaching was to modifying the behavior of the learner and to develop according to the needs and ideas of the society. So we can say that more than to become a person in higher position, the main motive of teaching was to become a good person to serve the society. While summing up all these concepts, teaching can be defined in the following ways. Teaching is the purposeful direction and management of the learning process, and teaching is a process of providing opportunities for students to produce relatively permanent change through engagement in experiences provided by the teachers, and teaching is skillful application of knowledge, experience, and scientific principles with an objective to set up an environment to facilitate learning, and teaching is an planned activity, and effective teaching depends on how clearly the students understand what they are expected to learn and how accurately their learning can be measured. And teaching is a process in which the learner, teacher, and other variables are organized in a systematic way to attain some predetermined goals, and teaching is an activity that causes the child to learn and acquire the desired knowledge and skills and also the desired ways of living in the society. These all are the concept of teaching, and teaching can be defined in these ways. The next topic is the nature or characteristics of teaching. There are 6 points of characteristic of teaching. The first one is a system of action. Teaching is a system of action varied in form and related with content and pupil behavior under the prevailing physical and social condition. And the second one is a professional activity. As we all know that teaching is a professional activity. And the third one is subjected to analysis and assessment. The teaching subjected to analysis and assessment and provides a feedback for further improvement. And the fourth one is an interactive process. The teaching is an interactive process between the teacher and the learner, and it is a specialized task. And the last one is teaching is a collaboration of various modes. It includes the terms like conditioning, training, instruction, etc. These all are the characteristics of teaching. So here the part 1 of teaching is over. If you understand my lecture, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.